Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're diving into how to offer advanced AI feedback detection as an add-on feature for your clients, giving them smarter, more intuitive AI capabilities that go beyond traditional 1 to 5 star feedback. This powerful upgrade helps your clients automatically interpret nuanced customer responses and route them through the correct feedback cycle, saving time, increasing accuracy, and enhancing customer engagement. Let's walk through how it works and how to set it up in your agency dashboard. Normally, Reviewly.ai categorizes feedback into 3 types: positive, negative, and other. But here's the challenge. Customers often reply with phrases like, "It was okay," "It was great," or "not the best," without using a numeric rating. Without the add-on, these responses are treated as other, requiring manual follow-up. With the AI Advanced Feedback Detection add-on, Reviewly.ai can intelligently interpret these messages and route them accordingly. If a customer responded that it was okay or meh, the AI would interpret this between 2 and 4 stars and then put this on the positive feedback response cycle. If a customer was to say, "It was great," or "to die for," AI would interpret this as 5 stars and again put it on the positive response feedback cycle. If a customer were to say, "not the best," or "disappointed," then AI would interpret this as 1 star and put it on the negative response cycle. And lastly, if a customer were to respond that wouldn't really be a rating or how they felt about their experience, then the AI would interpret this as neither negative or positive and put it into the other response feedback cycle. This means your clients can automate responses even when customers don't follow the standard format. So now, we're going to show you how to enable this add-on in your agency account so you can offer it to your clients. First, click on the drop-down arrow next to your agency name. Then, click My Subscriptions. Then you'll see a button that says Add-on Plans. Click on that, then you'll find an option for Advanced AI Feedback Detection. Click the green button that says Activate. A confirmation pop-up will appear with billing details. And then click Yes to confirm and activate this add-on. You've now unlocked this feature for your agency. So now, let's make it available for your clients to purchase this from you. Click on the down arrow and go to Subscriptions. Then click Create Plan. You're going to notice that the box has changed. You'll now see a drop-down menu that says either Create Plan or Create an Add-on Plan. So let's select Add-on Plan. Then a box will pop up that you can put in the name of the plan, the description, the pricing, and the billing interval. If you want to offer this for free, you can select Lifetime Free. Then, make sure that you toggle on the setting for Advanced AI Feedback Detection. After that's done, make sure the plan is marked as visible so clients can see this and add this to their accounts. Once you have all the information filled out, click Create. Your new add-on plan will now appear in your subscription list. You can filter by add-on plans or standard plans for easy management. Let's talk about how clients then can activate the add-on from their dashboard. So let's go to a client's dashboard. The way customers add the add-on plan is very similar to how you added it to your agency. The clients will click on the drop-down menu next to their name, then click on My Subscriptions. Then, click on Add-on Plans. You'll see the option for the Advanced AI Feedback Detection add-on and click the green Activate button. Again, a confirmation pop-up will appear for the customer with billing information. The client then clicks Yes to confirm, and this will activate their add-on subscription. And then once activated, the client's account will automatically begin interpreting nuanced feedback using AI. No manual sorting required. And that's how you set up and offer the Advanced AI Feedback Detection add-on in Reviewly.ai. This feature helps your clients respond faster, reduce manual work, and improve customer satisfaction, all while adding value to your agency's offerings. By enabling smarter feedback interpretation, you're not just automating, you're elevating the entire customer experience. Thank you for watching, and if you need further assistance, have questions, or want to explore advanced strategies, our team is here for you. You can reach out anytime to support@Reviewly.ai.